soccer field, para kang nasa Qatar. Yung mga picture ni tatay dati.
Ay, parang na, ay, dati nakita ko
Nag? Nasa Pasay ba kayo nag-ano no? Nag-rent?
I'm sitting in two.
What?
Let's go with this.
Let's not go.
Let's win.
That's weird.
It is.
Let's do this.
What's that, Riley?
Slime.
Yeah, that's a slime.
What's the dinosaur?
Dinosaurs. ₱58. 80 pesos. How much yan, Riley? Look natin. Ito, anong price? 55 pesos.
What are these?
I don't know. Ayun, pancake din. Ito, 52 pesos. Ito naman ganitong soy. 52 pesos. 52.
I see T-Rex.
Ayun, T-Rex. Oh. Look natin magkano to.
Tapos yung foot.
Look mo, Riley. Ayun pala yung price.
That's,
295.
that's not Godzilla.
Yeah, this is not Godzilla, this is T-Rex. Same sila ng sound.
Why Godzilla sound?
I don't know why.
The dinosaur.
Ayun ang mga dinosaur. Ito, 375. Ito, 255 to. Ayan, malaki na siya.
Where's my mom?
Ayan, put it back, Riley, ha?
What happened? Why?
Try the other one. Itong Parasaurolophus.
Open it.
Hindi pa yung pwede mag-ano, 255 din.
Why?
Hindi nakalak pa yan, Ching. Oh, you need to bayad muna. You need to pay first. Ay, ito, cute. Mga pig. Piglet.
Squishy.
Squish. Ayun, may sound. Magkano to? 52 din. 52 pesos. Squishy din yan, Chi?
Yeah.
No.
Hard. Oh, it's hard.
Ayun, it's hard. It's not squishy.
What do you got to do for it? What?
Nothing. Display lang yata ito, Chi. Ay, duckies! 115. Duckies!
Mommy,
What? check out yung sword. Ayan, how much? 120. So, 120.
Ready na.
May mga pang table tennis. Ayan, 69 pesos. Ito, raketa pang bata. 55 pesos.
Mommy, what's this?
Jumping rope. Like what? O, ganun, yun. Skipping rope, 45 pesos. A random kid. Ito, 36, oh.
What?
Ito, 250.
Want to buy the Rubik's Cube? Hang on.
Oh, next time tayo, we will buy that. Ay, mga damit. Photo, 280. Yeah, I will show it to Papa. Oh, cute. 280 to. Tapos meron pa dito, 219. Ang cute, oh. Really gondo. Eto. Set na yata to. 499 to. Mga dress pambata. Ito ang ganda. 195. Look natin. Pila ba siya? Ito may. I'm sorry. Ang cute, oh.
Mommy.
Yeah. Ay, ganda nito. 375. Ayan. What? Ito, gamit pang baby. 159. Oh, dede. Ito, oh, shoes. 210. $210. And then, tapos 10 pesos yung mga chupon. $2,350.
Mommy,
Walker.
let's see. I can
Riley, huwag mo carry yan. Riley, no! Dito tayo. Eto. Riley, baka malaglagan ka. Mukha ni mami to ang heavy, oh. 3 kilos. 3 kilos. Riley, careful. 345. 3 kilos.
Mommy, do this.
354. 850. 6 kilos.
What?
10 kilos. 1,450.